Hi there, Melody from WTI. And if you're looking to make your life easier and brighter, check out these Barrina shop lights from INW. You're going to be surprised at how enlightened you really get.
So this 12-piece set comes with everything you need, including the clips to install them, the different connectors. The toughest part about this is to decide whether you want it hardwired or do you want these lights corded. Either way, they work absolutely incredible. They're easy to install, and once lit, the lights are not hot to the touch. As you can see, we're showing you how you can unplug them, plug them back in. We're touching the light bulbs. They are so easy to install, so nice and bright. You cannot go wrong. So not only do I love that they are cool to the touch whenever you need to unplug them, move them around, I also love the fact that they have a low power consumption, yet their lumen output is incredible. And these come in 4 different colors.
So if you're looking to add a little light in your life, wherever it is, garage, shed, your mudroom, cabinets, these are the lights that you need. These ones from Barrina, from INW Lighting. You're gonna love them. That's my point of view.